Good morning, everyone. Can anyone tell me what is value stream mapping? Okay, we will explain this today.
Let's have a view on lean steps. Step 1. Specify value from customer perspective. Step 2. Map the process with the process owners. Step 3. Redesign the flow to eliminate waste. Step 4. Pull the process from the customer side instead of pushing from supplier side. Step 5. Aim for perfection. Study and redesign the process continuously. To specify value, you need to think about the 3 types of step in any process. Value-adding steps, which add value for both internal and external customers, for example, examining patients. Incidental steps, the steps that add value to the internal customer, but has no value to external customer, for example, patient registration. Waste steps, that has no value at all, but it is there because nobody studied the process, searching for redundancies. After value has been specified, you need to map the process to decrease the incidental steps and eliminate waste steps.
Now, how can we map a process?
Actually, there are many types of process mapping tools, but we will concentrate on value stream mapping today. Value stream mapping is a lean management tool that helps visualize the steps needed to complete the process. As with other business process mapping methods, it helps with understanding your business better, as well as analysis and process improvement. Now we will learn together how to construct and use value stream map. The first symbol is the customer supplier, which is used at the start and at the end. The whole process will be running between the supplier and customer symbol. The next symbol is the process symbol, which we use to clarify each step in the process. Then these 2 arrows, the smooth arrow represent the transfer of information manually, while the lightning-shaped one is used for information transferred electronically. The push and pull arrows are used to specify if the step is pushed by the supplier to the customer, or it was pulled from the customer on demand, which is the optimum way. The triangle symbol is used when there is an inventory used during the process, and sometimes it is also used to determine the waste steps on the process. Timeline segment is used to clarify time needed for each step in the process, and the total timeline symbol is used at the end to clarify the whole time needed to complete the process. More clarification about this will be provided in upcoming slides. The Kaizen burst symbol is used to pinpoint an opportunity of improvement. The Kanban symbol is used to refer to areas where you can use just in time to pull the process instead of pushing it. Takt time is the rate at which you need to complete the production process in order to meet customer demand. Cycle time is the time it takes to complete the production of one unit from start to finish. Lead time measures the time elapsed between order and delivery. You have 3 workers, each of them working 30 hours per week. This means you have 90 working hours and the customer demands is 45 televisions per week. This means that your takt time is 90 divided by 45 equals 2 hours. You need to produce a unit every 2 hours. If you are producing only 30 units, so your cycle time is 90 hours, their working time, divided by 30, number of units actually produced, that equals 3 hours. It takes them 3 hours to produce 1 unit. That means you need to improve to satisfy customers. Lead time will include the whole time from customer request till delivery, including transportation and waiting times.
Okay, and how can we construct the value stream map?
Now I will guide you through it. Step 1. Typically, you would start your mapping by indicating a start and end point. This would show where your internal process begins and ends. Step 2. Now determine what processes are involved in order to get from point A to point B. As a simple example, the process of patient visit to outpatients include registration, triage, vital signs, taking physician examination, discharge, and medication. Step 3. One of the advantages of value stream mapping is that it includes information flows. To continue with the example, determine how patient information is transferred, whether electronically or manually. Step 4. It's time for an in-depth look at each step. To do so, you need real data, and teams have to spend a little time collecting the information you need, like waiting times, types of patients, diagnosis, physician specialty, etc. Indicate the timeline involved in each process beneath your data blocks. This shows the lead time needed and the actual time spent on each step. Step number 6, identify the 8 wastes of lean. Now that you have one, it's time to start looking for the 8 wastes: transportation, overproduction, overprocessing, staff motion that is not needed, inventory, waiting times, defects, unused skills. Use your team to help you map out an ideal value stream map that eliminates, or at least reduces, all the waste you spotted when analyzing the results of your value stream mapping exercise. Now you have finished.